guys, and welcome to a new video here on my channel, and the first video with my new hair. For this video, you guys have seen from the title, I am so excited that this little tradition, you might say, of trying all of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes is once again here. You guys have probably already seen this all over the internet. This is the palette, and it is a collaboration with Alyssa Edwards. I am a huge fan of RuPaul's Drag Race, although I will be honest and say Alyssa wasn't my favorite. I liked her, but Adore Delano, Sharon Needles, and Aquaria are probably my favorites, and those are the ones that I follow on the social media. But this is so cool, and I love the shades. Let's have a look. So here is the first look of the palette. As you guys can see, it's not really similar to the other Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. It doesn't have any texture or anything like most palettes from Anastasia do have. But I absolutely love the pink shade. This exact shade is actually my absolute favorite color of all time. As always, it comes with a little brush that we will go ahead and use today. But here are all of the shades. Wow. I am actually really excited about this palette, mostly because of the three shades right here, obviously, but I really love that I have a dark brown and a black. I love the shiny one right there, and also this is so beautiful. And then all of these I'm like not that into, but I'm really happy that they have a matte white in there. So you guys know I'm not a huge review person. I'm mostly just going to try it out and tell you guys what I think. And for those of you that do have the palette or will get the palette someday, you might get some inspiration on some looks. So without further ado, let's just get into it. That was my phone for everyone that checked theirs. By the way, I also got this, which is something that I will never use. Also, I should say that I got this as PR from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I am very grateful for. Thank you so much. And in the package, I also got their new, I don't know if you guys can buy it. I hope you can. It is a mirror. Super cute, and it says Beast on it. And then I also got the eye primer, which is brand new, so of course we will try out that first. Oopsie. That was a lot more liquidy than I'm used to. It feels more like a concealer, honestly. I really like that. So let's just see if it makes any difference. I'm just gonna use a little bit underneath as well. First impression, huge thumbs up. And now for this. Okay. What should we do? I want to do something, but I don't know if you guys will think it's boring. If I like it and I think it's a good idea, I think that you guys are with me mostly. Maybe not with my hair. I saw a comment saying, "You look so ugly now. I wish that you had gray hair again." And I was like, that was like 4 years ago. Where have you been? Okay, so let's just go with what I have in my head. And we are going to start off with the super neon pink shade called Texas Made. I'm gonna switch to the other side and use it underneath my eyes. That pigment is amazing. I changed my mind and I used it all over my lid and everywhere. I'm gonna go in with Unicorn Tribe, this more like mellow purple kind of thing. I'm gonna use it on the fluffy brush and use it in the outer corner. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of BBDC, super dark purple shade. Does anyone know what BBDC means? Is that like a slang for something that I don't know and now I'm making a fool out of myself? But I am just gonna go in with that and darken the look a little bit more in the outer corner. Most of you guys have probably guessed it. I am going to go in with the blue shade called Dream It and use that for the pink on the other eye. And then I will go in with this purple shade called Believe, maybe a little bit of BBDC. Harley Quinn called and asked for her makeup back, I feel like. Didn't really think about that, but I mean, yeah, now we are going to use something in the inner corner, and I mean obviously we're gonna use Brick Road, the neon yellow. For my brow bone, I think I'm gonna go in with the matte white called Headliner. I've not used any of the shimmery shades, so I thought I could just show you guys some swatched. Beyond, DDG, and Inspire. Gorgeous! I mean, the shade Beyond, the pink one, looks absolutely amazing. Let's go in and swatch a few more. Let's do Beast, the black one, Back Rolls, Ho. I feel like I can't get up that much pigment on the black one, so maybe use a sticky base for the black. I mean, it's pigmented, but I feel like it could be more pigment. In my waterline, I'm just gonna go in with the Happy Mood crayon from Linda Helber Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with some lashes that are not released yet, and some mascara and a lip, and then I will be right back. And this is the finished look. I mean, I am feeling myself. I know I don't open up a lot about like my personal life and stuff like that, but I have been feeling so bad about myself. Makeup just makes me so happy, and I know that is such a superficial thing to say, but I don't care. Makeup is my life, and it makes me so happy, and I have not really been feeling myself for like a month. That is why I've not really uploaded and not uploaded on Instagram, but I mean, this is me. I am very happy with this look, and I hope that you guys like it as well. I would give this palette a huge thumbs up. I love all of the shades that I've used today. They are a bit tricky to blend sometimes, but I don't really mind because the pigment is amazing. And I just love that they have done a collaboration with a drag queen. It's just so cool, and I absolutely love it, and just like, good job, Alyssa. So I guess that is it for this video. If you enjoyed the look and enjoyed my content, please give this video a thumbs up, a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out and makes me super happy. Also, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and also my vlogging channel if you guys are interested. That is it for this video. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in my next video. Bye, babes.